Hi everyone, and let's complete our previous lecture about cell writing and writing operations and writing formula. And you must know the sequence of operations. Here you will find the order of operation executing. So you will find that multiplication precede division and division precede addition and addition precede subtraction and subtraction precede logical operations. So let's take this example. If you want to follow the step of execution of the following formula, 2 multiplication 5 plus 3, the question is, which operation will be executed first? Multiplication or addition? Let's get back to the operation sequence, and we will see that multiplication is multiplication precedes addition. So the first thing will be executed here is 2 multiplied by 5, and the result will be 10. After that you will add 3, so the final result will be 13. In the next example here, 2 multiplication 2 parentheses 5 plus 3. Which operation will be executed first? Parentheses makes priority for addition. So the first operation here is addition. 5 plus 3, the result is 8. And 8 multiplied by 2, so the final result will be 16. In the next example, you have 2 parentheses division 3 operation, multiplication, addition, and division, and addition. So first priority 2 parentheses. So the first operation will be 5 plus 3. The result is 8. Multiplied by 2. So the result is 16. Divided by 2. So the result will be 8. Added to 2. So the result will be 10. The last example here, you have addition, you have multiplication, division, and 2 parentheses. So parentheses makes priority for its operation. So the first operation executed here will be 5 plus 3, and the result will be 8 multiplied by 2, so the result will be 16. And parentheses makes priority to addition over division. So 2 plus 2 is 4. After that we can apply division. So 16 divided by 4, the final result will be 4. Okay? Okay. So what is the result of this equation? Let's take example and learn how to write this equation using Microsoft Excel. Let's practice and write this formula. Plus 2 division 5 plus 3. The result will be 13. Next example here. 2 multiply, open 2 parentheses, 5 plus 3, and the result will be 16. The third example here. 2 multiply 2 parentheses, 5 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 2. So here division precede addition. So the first operation will be 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So the final result will be 10. Okay, that's right. Also 2 multiplied by 2 parentheses, 5 plus 3 divided by 2 parentheses, 2 plus 2. So here parentheses makes priority to addition. So the first thing will be executed here is 5 plus 3. The result will be 8. 8 multiplied by 2. The result will be 16. And parenthesis makes priority to addition than division. So here 2 plus 2 is 4. So 16 divided by 4, the final result will be 4. And that's right. Okay, if you don't understand anything, please let me know and we will discuss it with more detail. Okay, so let's try to solve this equation. What is the result of this formula? Let's write it. Let's practice to write it. Equal 2 multiply 2 parentheses 5 minus 3 forward slash 2 parentheses 2 plus 2 power 2 minus 1. So what is the result of this equation? Press enter. The result will be minus 0.75. The question is, what are the steps executed to give this result? What is the sequence of operations? Okay, let's track the execution of this equation step by step. So parenthesis gives priority to subtraction operation. So 5 minus 3 is the first thing, multiplied by 2. So the result will be 4. This is about the first term on the left hand side. After that, parenthesis gives priority to 2 plus 2. The result will be 4. And 4 will be powered by 2. So the result will be 16. After that, division has priority than subtraction. So 4 will be divided by 16 and the result will be 0.25. After that, we will subtract 0.25 from the 1 and the result will be minus 0.75. That's right, this execution is right. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.